Let's find a project for this week. It's the Lego Creator Paris postcard. In the last Lego video I was building the London postcard. In the end I said it would be amazing if I would get the Paris postcard soon, and here it is. These postcards are so fun to build. It's so easy, you're so fast. I had like around an hour to build them. I think I was faster than making this video actually. It took a very long time to do this stop motion. They're really fun. If you have a chance, pick them up. There are a few of them, I think. London and Paris. There's a New York one, Sydney. They're great and they look so cute. I also have the New York postcard. I picked that up last time I was in London, and now I'm hoping that this will come soon so that I have my 3 postcards. I will pick up more if I have a chance, if I can find them, but until now it's just London and Paris, which is amazing for me. I have a link to the postcard in the description below. I put the one from London as well. They're on Amazon if you like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!